Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another video, and today we have a nice haul from Dollar Tree. So the first thing that I want to show you guys is that they do have custom size paper towels, meaning that you can personalize it. That's what I mean by custom, like it doesn't have to be the full sheet. And I always find it super important to keep one of these in your area along with baby wipes and or disinfectant wipes, just because you want to clean up after and always make sure if you're like, you know, dealing with doing nails, you're dealing with a craft and art. So you guys want to have these handy dandy. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put them aside. That was $1.25. Then I also went ahead and found something pretty interesting at the Dollar Tree at the craft section. So these are like I think they're called flakes for the nails that you can encapsulate with polygel, acrylic, builder gel, press-ons, whatever you desire. And I thought these were really nice. I usually try to go often to the Dollar Tree, not often, but at least every 1 or 2 weeks, just to see if they have anything new, because this is definitely something new that they have. So we have, I'm not gonna open them because they're messy, but they have this little dark blue one, like another ocean blue. Then they also have like a purple one. They have this really pretty lime green iridescent one, along with this beautiful turquoise one. It's very pretty. Seems like this one has a lot less than the rest for some reason. And then we have this green one. So it does bring all of these, which are very, very nice. So like I always mention, definitely head on over to your local Dollar Tree. This was $3. As you see right here, it does say $3. So yeah, that was definitely a nice find. So I'm gonna set that aside right there. I also found like something interesting that I thought I could use for nails. So this is a diamond painting sheet. I found it at the crafts area, but I noticed that it brought these tools right here, which is the wax, the pencil, and the rhinestone like organizer type of thing. I don't know what it's called, but you place your rhinestones on there, your gems, and you shake it, and it like puts them up, lined up for you. So I wanted to, so this is the reason I got it. Also, I wanted to see what these little dots look like, because if they look like pearls, you can utilize them for nails. So, oh, excellent. That's exactly what I'm gonna do. So yeah, that's what I figured. These are literally, these literally can be used as little like semi-matte pearls or something like that. For nails, literally. They're flat pack and everything. So that's great. That's what I'm going to be using it for. It's just weird how some bring more than others. Like the orange brings less, but yet some bring more than, I don't know, whatever. It's just interesting as to why, but can't complain for $1.25. So now I just have a bunch of new little dots that I can apply in my yard. And not only that, I have a whole kit for it. So that was definitely a great deal. I'm happy that I even decided to get this. So that was definitely an L. No, a W, I'm sorry. It was definitely a W for a win. So that is really nice. As you can see, you have the pen where you apply the wax to pick up your little rhinestones, and it fixes it for you here. Let me just show you an example of how this works. Let me just get this out. This is what it looks like, just in case you're wondering. And then the wax is there. really find them right now, but I have this, so I will show you. So pretty much they're like this, you go like this, and it faces them up for you to make your life easier. It can take a while, but for the most part, you can kind of see how right here, they're all aligned and upright for you to just pick up with the wax. So it's a neat thing. So yeah, I'm happy I got that. Okay, anyways, so moving on, I also went ahead and got a photo album, which these you can always use to organize. So I always recommend these. It's just a photo album, and it's some butterflies, and it's super cute, and I'm just gonna show you an example of what I mean. So for example, I have these stickers right here. I would open up my sticker out of its packaging. It's just some little expression faces on there, and I would just go right on over to placing it here. And now I can see it, and it's a lot easier. And you have room for different size ones as well, which is nice, and you can fill it up front and back. So these are the best. I have shown in the past how I organize them, but not everybody watches every video, so here is an example. I believe these I got them on Shein. So here I have it organized as well. Sometimes I put more than one in there. I really like those horoscope ones. I have butterflies and stuff like that. Oh, these are cute as well. These are unique. So that's how I organize it here in the albums. And then I also have organized some watercolor decals, which I use the longer ones, and I did purchase this through Shein. So this is how they're organized, for example. You have everything. These are water decals. So yeah, it's so useful. I definitely recommend it. And they're sold at the Dollar Tree. So they always have a bunch, and they're always like switching and adding new designs, which is always nice as well. I found these emerald green stickers that you can use as rhinestones for rhinestone looks and nail designs. So I thought this was great. The cross section seems to have more than the actual nail section. Then I also went ahead and got some hand cream. This is hand and body cream, and this is really good. I definitely recommend this brand. And it's literally only $1.25. So I think on Amazon it costs more. So this is always so handy to have. Then I also realized that they had gloves there, which is great. These same latex gloves, and they bring 10. Oh, it's latex and powder free. For one use, it fits either hand, and they're supposed to be good, so that's really nice. These are nitro exam gloves that you can utilize for videos or anything nail related that you desire, and it brings 10, so I think that's a great quantity, and it's only $1.25, so it definitely works with people who, for literally anything. I went ahead and got nail polishes because I will be doing stamping videos soon. I literally purchased on AliExpress, I think it was either 32 or 34 nail stamping plates. So yeah, I'm super excited. I just get so obsessed with one thing, and I just have to order a bunch of it for some reason. But you can always use either gel or regular nail polish. when it comes to nail stamping, or you can actually use nail stamping polish. It's literally up to you. They claim that the difference is that with regular nail polish, it won't be as opaque, supposedly, and then with the actual nail stamping polish, it's more opaque. I honestly believe that it's whatever you want to do. So I got a black one for $125. That's what they all cost. I got a color by, I guess that's the brand or something, the Gel Light Shine. Oh, it's a very pretty color. And what I like about these is that what I like about stamping is that you can always use regular nail polish and always top it off with a gel top coat. So it's literally the best. And that's why if you want to practice stamping or get into it, or just do it here and there or have it, I always recommend to go to the Dollar Tree because they definitely have a great polish collection. These are all such beautiful colors for the summertime and stuff like that. So very happy about them. And then this really pretty neon pink. Super nice. And they're very pigmented, so I definitely love that. I always like to have a pair of scissors because you always need them to open anything when it comes to filming or just any product. So these are super important, and it is from Dot Activity, which is a great brand, and these are excellent quality. I literally buy every single strip I take to the dollar store, so it's definitely excellent to have. And then I also bought these hoops, which brings a great quantity. They're called jump hoops, and it brings a lot in here. These are for when you want to do nails and add a dangling charm. Let me show you an example really quickly, just for you to get an idea if you don't really know what I'm speaking about. Okay, perfect. I don't know why these boxes are so hard to open sometimes. Okay, so for example, this is an Oreo dangling charm, and what I love is that this is removable. You can twist it off and just put it directly on the nail as a charm. So this is a literal Oreo miniature cookie, and you would grab some pliers, open the hoop, put it through this loop, close it back up, and drill a hole. They have that nail tool. I'm not even gonna bother trying to look for it to show you, just because I know I won't be able to find it right now. But yeah, it's really simple and easy, and this is literally $1.25, and it's literally all you need. And they have different colored ones as well if you wanna, like, online and stuff, but at the Dollar Tree I think this is as good as it gets. So yes. Oh, and these are some other ones that I have this one I unscrewed, for example, but I'm showing you off these charm boxes that I organized the other day in my last video. If you haven't watched it, definitely go on over and check it out. I also organized this box of charms. I literally consolidated everything. It's like a massive amount, and these organizers, I got them at Michael's for $4.99. They're literally the best. I realized I prefer them this way and consolidating them together, just because it becomes so many of the tedious little containers that it just becomes like annoying, or so. I don't know. I just literally love this concept. I consolidate them. I keep most of them. Sorry, there was a hair. I consolidate them and I keep most of them on here, which is literally all I need, because I actually get to see more of what I have. And even if they are consolidated, it doesn't really matter, just because they you can see it from like the sides and stuff like that. So yeah. some of these little gems that rhinestones that you can use, shaped rhinestone stars that you can use on the nails. Super cute. And I also went ahead and got these paper flowers that you can cut and maneuver and literally do it on a nail look and encapsulate these. And they're made out of paper, so you can easily cut them. And yeah, so I thought this was really cute. I didn't have it in this color, so I wanted to go ahead and get those. So yeah, like I mentioned, definitely don't sleep on the Dollar Tree. They always have such cute stuff. And then lastly, I ended up getting these at these are in like the parties area, and these are a 4-piece pack of stirrers, and usually people use this to stir drinks and stuff, but you can actually use this when you're mixing acrylics or anything you're trying to mix together. And you just use the flamingo's little feet and you mix it, and it's super cute and aesthetically adorable. So I always try to see what I can show that you can utilize for nails. So yeah, that literally concludes today's video. I hope you all enjoyed this haul. Thank you guys so much for watching, tuning in, and your support and love always means the world to me. Thank you so much times a million. I really appreciate all the love that I receive. Don't forget to hit that notification bell to get notified every single time I upload. Hit that like button for I can know to create more content for you all. And don't forget to comment down below. But yeah, thank you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next upload.